In this video, you're going to learn how to use the min function in Excel to find the minimum or lowest value in a set of numbers. And if you'd like to grab a copy of the spreadsheet I use in this video, just click on the link in the description below. So let's start off up here and I'll type in equals min and open the brackets. And if we just drag the mouse across like that, close the brackets and press enter, you can see that the result we get is 100. And that is, of course, the lowest number in that series of three numbers there, 200, 100, and 700. Okay, so you can see that that's extracted the minimum value from that range. And just like some of our other functions, we can grab the fill handle and copy it down like that. We can also Control C and Control V. Or we can right click and copy, select some cells, right click and paste. And that's copied and pasted the function right down there. So let's just have a look at this last one to make sure it's right. So we've got 300, 500, and 500. And that's telling us that the minimum is 300. So that's right. All right, let's do it the other way now. Okay, so that's telling us that the minimum value in these cells is 0, which is correct. And once again, we can drag that across with our fill handle. So 100 is the minimum in there. Or we can copy and paste it. Just like that. And once again, we've got 100 as the minimum value in there. So to look up the minimum value in the whole range, we can just type equals min in here. Open the brackets and select all the cells. Close it off. And once again, it's extracted the value 0 as our answer. And that's because it's the lowest number in that range of numbers.